welcome to the Chainsaw Medic. I'm Steve. My wife Erin behind the camera. Say hi to the camera.
What up?
What up? Got a nice little McCulloch Eager Beaver chainsaw right here.
We get a close up.
Get a close up.
All right.
All right. This thing hasn't run in 10 years. Gonna see if we can get her going.
Okay.
All right. Pop this air cleaner cover off. See how dirty it is under there.
Maybe.
Maybe. Big long screw. There, it's loose. Sort of loose.
All right. I'm getting some fantastic shots of your hand tattoos, so.
Why you don't want them loose? There we go. Very kind of clean in there. Not too bad. See if we can get her running.
All right. I'm going to back up a little bit. All right. What's that?
Go-go juice.
Okay. Make it go-go.
Go-go. 10-year-old gas in there.
Gross.
Gross.
It's going to smell real nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dang.
Well, it might run. Once I get all that nasty old gas out of there, put some seafoam down in the carburetor, new air filter, new spark plug, should be good to go.
All right. Explain what seafoam is.
Engine cleaner,
Gross.
basic stuff.
Does it smell as good as that shit right there?
Yeah, nah, not really.
Well, it
Be
did
nice and
go.
smoky. Yeah, it'll go. It'll run.
Okay.
I'm sure it won't take much to get it running. So,
Awesome.
all right,
Well, be a chainsaw medic and fix it up.
all right. Stay tuned.